Have you ever opened your banking app, looked at your account balance, and quietly wondered, where did all my money go? Maybe you've told yourself, I'll start saving next month. Maybe you've created a budget before, only to give up a few weeks later. Or maybe you've watched so many videos about money that you don't even know where to begin anymore. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, most of us were never taught how money actually works. We learned mathematics, history, science, languages, but almost nobody taught us how to manage a paycheck, build savings, or create long-term financial security. So if you feel overwhelmed, you're not behind. You're simply starting where millions of people start. And here's the good news. You don't need to become a financial expert overnight. You don't need to memorize complicated investing strategies. You don't need to understand the stock market before taking your first step. You simply need a clear roadmap, one step at a time. Because improving your finances isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, consistent decisions that gradually change your future. And today, that's exactly what we're going to begin. Together, we're going to follow a simple roadmap, 7 practical steps that can help you build a stronger financial future. You don't have to master them all today. You don't even have to be perfect. Just focus on taking one step at a time. So, let's begin. Step 1. Know where your money goes. This might sound incredibly simple, but it may also be the most important step of all. Remember, you can't improve what you don't measure. Step 2. Create a simple budget. Now that you know where your money is going, Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life rarely goes exactly according to plan. A car suddenly needs repairs. The washing machine stops working. A medical bill arrives when you least expect it. Or sometimes, life simply throws you a surprise. None of these situations are unusual. They happen to everyone. The difference is whether you're financially prepared for them. That's exactly why an emergency fund is one of the most important financial goals you can build. Think of it as your financial safety net. It won't stop unexpected things from happening, but it can stop a temporary problem from becoming a long-term financial crisis. If you're just getting started, don't worry about saving thousands of dollars immediately. Start with something achievable. Your first goal could be $500, then $1,000. Small victories build confidence, and confidence builds momentum. As your finances improve, gradually work towards saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. It won't happen overnight, and that's perfectly okay. Remember, this isn't a race. Every dollar you save is one less dollar you'll need to borrow when life surprises you. And that's exactly what an emergency fund is designed to do. Give you options and peace of mind. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Now let's talk about something many people struggle with: debt, especially high-interest credit card debt. Debt itself isn't something to be ashamed of. Millions of people have it. What matters is having a plan to gradually reduce it. Every month you carry a high-interest balance. You're paying money for money you've already spent. Imagine trying to climb a hill while someone keeps adding weight to your backpack. That's what high-interest debt can feel like. The good news: you don't have to eliminate it all this month, or even this year. You simply need a consistent plan. Pay a little more than the minimum whenever possible. Celebrate every balance that gets smaller. Every payment, no matter how small, moves you one step closer to financial freedom. Progress will always beat perfection, because small improvements, repeated consistently, create remarkable results over time. Step 5. Build strong financial habits. By now, you may have noticed something. None of these steps require you to become rich overnight. That's because personal finance isn't built on one big decision. It's built on hundreds of small decisions every single month. Simple habits like paying your bills on time, checking your bank account regularly, saving a little from every paycheck, avoiding unnecessary debt, reviewing your spending. These actions may not seem exciting, but over time, they quietly transform your financial future. Think about brushing your teeth. One day doesn't make much difference, but doing it consistently for years creates incredible results. Money works much the same way. The habits you repeat eventually become the life you live. So instead of asking yourself, "How can I become wealthy?" try asking, "What small financial habit can I improve this week?" Because consistency will always outperform short bursts of motivation. And the good news is, every positive habit you build today makes tomorrow just a little bit easier. Step 6. Protect yourself. Building savings and reducing debt are important milestones, but building wealth is only one part of financial success. Protecting what you've built is just as important, because life can change unexpectedly. An illness, an accident, damage to your home, or even losing your income can affect years of financial progress. That's why having the right protection matters. Health insurance, home or renter's insurance, disability insurance, and if people depend on your income, life insurance. Insurance isn't something you hope to use. It's something you hope you'll never need. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt. You don't expect an accident, but you're grateful for the protection if one ever happens. Protecting yourself financially allows you to keep moving forward, even when life doesn't go according to plan. Step 7. Keep learning. Here's something I wish more people knew. Nobody is born understanding money. Every financially confident person started as a beginner, just like you. The difference is that they kept learning, one lesson, one habit, one improvement at a time. Don't feel like you need to understand investing tomorrow, or retirement next week, or taxes by the end of the month. Focus on the next step, because personal finance isn't a destination, it's a lifelong skill, and every small improvement you make today makes every financial decision a little easier tomorrow. Remember, money isn't complicated. It only feels complicated until someone explains it clearly. Let's quickly bring everything together. Today, you learned the 7 steps that create a strong financial foundation. First, know where your money goes. Second, create a simple budget. Third, build an emergency fund. Fourth, pay down high-interest debt. Fifth, build strong financial habits. Sixth, protect yourself. And finally, never stop learning. None of these steps will make you wealthy overnight, but together, they create something much more valuable: a financial foundation that can support you for the rest of your life. Before you move on, I'd like to ask you to do one small thing. Open your banking app or your latest bank statement. Look at your last 5 purchases and ask yourself one simple question: were these needs or wants? Don't judge yourself, just observe, because awareness is where every financial success story begins. If today's lesson helped you, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Beginner's Personal Finance. Every week, we'll take another simple step together. No confusing language, no unrealistic promises, just practical lessons. designed to help you build confidence with money. And in our next lesson, we'll build your very first budget, step by step. By the end of that video, you'll have a simple budgeting system you can start using immediately. Before we finish, I want you to remember one thing. You don't need to change your financial life today. You don't need to save thousands of dollars this month. You don't need to become an investing expert this year. You only need to take the next step. Because financial success isn't built in one giant leap. It's built one smart decision at a time. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next lesson.